Eating a healthy breakfast is a great way to start your day. It can also be the most important meal of the day, as it helps you build energy and keep your metabolism running at maximum capacity throughout the day. But how do you know what's good for you? That's why we've put together this list of healthy breakfasts that will help keep your body running at peak performance. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and choline, which help your body to absorb iron, zinc, and vitamin D. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that can help fight cancer. Eggs have been shown to have positive effects on mental health as well. They're loaded with tryptophan, the amino acid responsible for feeling sleepy after eating, which is why doctors recommend it when patients want an energy boost in the morning or afternoon. Oatmeal with berries and flaxseed. Oats are a good source of fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. They also have many antioxidants and vitamin E, which can help your body fight cancer. Berries contain antioxidants and other nutrients that help keep your body healthy. They're also high in vitamin C, good for fighting free radicals, potassium, which regulates blood pressure, magnesium, for heart health, folate, an essential B vitamin, and more. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type found in fish oil, and they're great at lowering cholesterol levels while helping balance blood sugar levels too. Flax seeds can be added to oatmeal or sprinkled onto yogurt and used as an egg substitute on toast at breakfast time. Green tea. Green tea is an excellent source of antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of certain cancers and heart diseases. It also contains many health benefits like weight loss, blood sugar control, and cholesterol levels. But, unfortunately, one green tea has about 40 mg/mg of caffeine, almost twice the cups of coffee. Green tea drinkers tend to have lower serum cholesterol concentrations than those who do not drink it regularly. You'll find that many people who don't usually drink coffee are surprised at how much they enjoy it when they start adding some green teas into their diet plan each day. Greek yogurt with nuts. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which can help your body digest food better. It also provides you with vitamin D and potassium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and wellness. Because Greek yogurt contains more protein than regular yogurt, about 15 grams per serving, choosing the right kind is essential. Try choosing one that has at least 12 grams of protein per cup. The higher the amount of protein in your yogurt, the better. Whole grain toast with avocado. The delicious avocado is a fruit that you should eat every day. It's high in fat, but it's a good kind of fat. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce heart disease risk by lowering LDL cholesterol and bad LDL plaque buildup in arteries. They also help lower blood pressure and may reduce inflammation in your body. Avocados are rich in vitamins E, K, and B6, also known as pyridoxine, all essential nutrients for maintaining overall health, and they're great brain foods too. The antioxidants found in avocados boost memory function while protecting against age-related mental acuity decline. Eating a balanced breakfast of protein, carbs, and fat is healthy. Protein will help you feel full longer. Carbohydrates give you energy. Fat helps your body absorb nutrients from other foods. For example, it's essential to absorb vitamin D. Conclusion. We've given you 4 healthy breakfast ideas to help you start a good morning. The key is to be mindful of your choices. If the idea of bacon makes you feel sick, then don't eat it. If something tastes terrible, though, don't force yourself to eat it. Don't do it again next time. Also, remember that any food choice can be changed into something else by adding some spices or lemon juice, like we did with our eggs, and changing portions as needed. So go ahead and make this week's favorite meal a healthy one.